I like that.
Kale's first birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kale. Happy birthday to you.
Anybody more grease on it?
Oh, you're dripping wax. Yeah, don't get wax on the...
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Dad, you got wax on him.
Oh, did he get hot wax?
Yeah.
Yeah. Aww.
Yeah, I probably got cold. Yeah, now it's probably cold.
Okay, Kale, here's your birthday.
Oh, there you go.
That's a boy.
Boy. What do you think?
Oh, that's a
Banana
really good one.
cupcake with cream cheese frosting.
Take the wrapper
Yeah,
off.
take the wrapper off.
What do you think, Kale?
Hey, just crumpling it up.
Yeah, let's put it at least up here so it can crumple it. What a mess.
Oh, no. Yum.
Yum sugar.
So, he's doing pretty good.
That's good. He had one for lunch without the frosting, but
Did you bake them too?
Mommy did.
Oh, nice.
Banana
Good,
cupcake.
Mommy. Yeah. But he really likes some bananas and applesauce. So does Ben.
Oh, it's really good, isn't it, Kale?
Oops, sorry. Is that your big piece? There you go.
Girl.
Hey!
Oh, hold on, let him swallow it.
I know, I'm going to.
Yeah.
Oh, look at Mommy. Is it good? Yeah.
That's quite a good cupcake.
Kale, what do you think? Can you smile for Mommy?
Busy eating this sugary thing. Hey, buddy.
He's into it.
Big boy.
Missy, can you come clean this up?
Clean up on aisle, Kale.
Yeah. Good dog.
Good dog.
Good dog. Oh, is that so yummy?